Hi everyone, welcome back once again, and this is going to be a very quick and informative video for those who don't want to spend a fortune on projects but still want to be creative and want to learn new ways of sewing without spending a lot of money. So for me, what I basically do, I always buy stuff from the cheapest from the sale, or I always look for the cheapest option because I sew a lot. So I'm gonna share a few of my projects here. These are the glimpses of upcoming tutorials, and I'm gonna share you how I use those, so you guys have a little bit of idea how you can use stuff from dollar store so you can use it on your projects. All right, these are not going to be in bulk, but if you want to just experiment few things, then just go ahead and buy these and have fun with them. So I bought sequins, gemstones, glass beads, whatever is available basically. And if I can understand that I can make stuff out of these, or I can embellish my stuff out of that, so I always go ahead and buy that stuff. So if you have anything, any questions or any more options in your mind, or if you want to share your tips and tricks, please do let me know in the comments. I would love to take a look and try those if it's available in Canada, Toronto. All right, so these are the glass beads and sequins. These are the flower sequins, the green one. They're really fun. I never see those kind of sequins in any fabric stores. They don't have that option, or maybe if they do have it, they're really expensive. So the one I got is for $1.25. So I decided to, since I have to sew so many projects for upcoming get-togethers, so why don't I just use those for initial purposes. And these are the glass beads, but embroidery takes a little bit time, and I don't have a time right now these days because my little one, she's 3 months old, and I have to spend most of the time with her. And I have 2 more daughters. One is 6, one is 4, going to be 4 in this July 29. So I have a very busy schedule for embroidery purposes. Anyways, so these are for $1.29. I bought 2 packets since I don't know what I'm going to sew with them. And here is sequins, gemstones, rhinestones, and I use these for my project, for my daughter's dress. And I think I bought 2 or 3 different colors in that. So for $1.29 you got quite a few styles you can combine with beads. And these are the lace butterflies. These are for $1.25, and trust me, I saw them on a fabric store, and 2 pieces were for $4.29. That's really expensive. And these are the rhinestones, and these are the sticker rhinestones, but I use them for my daughter's dress. I'm gonna show you in a bit. I used a glue gun to put the rhinestones, but you can use gem tag or different style of glue if you like. So these are the rhinestones from dollar store I use for my daughter's dress, and the tutorial is coming up. And these are another those are the rhinestones I have used for this dress. This is a long dress as well, and as you can see, but I'm gonna show you in detail in my upcoming video. And this is a lace. It has a very tiny beads into it, and you can definitely have fun with them. I bought this Velcro for my, if I'm run out of it, this is always a good option to have. Put it on side in your emergency bucket, or if you have a traveling sewing bag, you can use for that purpose. All right, so these are the flat purse I sew, and I had a lot of fun. I used these on my daughter's carrying bag. And if you want me to show you, I have never made the tutorial, but if you guys would want to see it, I can totally do that for you. And I use the gem tag, and the gem tag glue is really good for these projects. If you want to see a full tutorial, keep on watching. I'm gonna upload all these projects one by one, hopefully very soon. I also bought this jute, and I will show you the technique I'll be using. And I made a lot of dresses in past, so I will definitely share you my ideas. And these are the plastic containers I bought. These are for $3 for 3, and they're really good to store your sequins and flowers and different stuff like craft stuff. I also have a jar, and I have like a few different jars which is full with the crafting stuff, and these I have for my daughters, because whenever I sew or working on a project, my daughters, they want to do it with me. And if you want to see how they do it, I have made a channel for them, so you guys can get inspired. And if your little ones are interested in doing that, go ahead. I have different ideas, and this is a very new channel, so a lot more is coming. You just go ahead and subscribe and click on a bell icon so you get notified. And I have this purple flower sequence, and I decorated it a dress, and I will just show you the glimpse. And they're really good when it comes to the light. The detail tutorial is again coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. These tiny bows, they have a little sequence in the middle, and I made dress for my 3 months old use, and I used these bows in there. Also this ribbon, everything is from dollar store. Also, I'll just post a few pictures, and if you are interested, go ahead and buy these stuff for your initial projects. And this is it. Hopefully you enjoy this video. These are some of the options, and if you have any other options for me, do let me know in the comments. I would love to check them out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye now.